welcome back for another video. So today is going to be 2 days of some ultimate cleaning motivation, but before we get way too far into the video, this is in collaboration with Natasha from Mystylemyhome, and I'm going to let her introduce herself right here.
Hey loves, my name's Natasha and I'm a mommy of 4, and on my channel you'll find cleaning motivation, motherhood, organization, decor, lifestyle, plus a little bit more. So definitely, once you finish this mommy's channel, I would love for you to head over and check me out, and make sure you leave me a comment below letting me know that you came over. See you there.
Make sure you go check out Natasha's channel once you're done watching my video. She is a sweetheart. She has so much motivation on her channel. I know you're gonna love her videos because I do. So go show her lots of love. Tell her I sent you. Now today I'm gonna be starting out in the kitchen, and all I got done this night was tidying the kitchen before I had to stop and pick up the next day. So me and my husband are just gonna get these dishes done as a team, and then we are gonna finish tackling the rest of the house.
Pretty wild, I don't do monogamy. Don't get me wrong, you and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself.
If this is your very first time visiting my channel today, or if you're coming over from Natasha's channel, hi and welcome. My name is Shania Vaughn, and I'm a wife and a stay-at-home mom of 2. And I post motivational cleaning videos just like this one every Sunday and Wednesday. So if that is your thing, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here as a friend. Go ahead and introduce yourself down in the comments so we can chat. And to all of my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back to support me. I appreciate you more than you know. Go ahead and comment and let me know you're here and watching as well. I'm using this Method Anti-Bac Cleaner in Citron scent. It's my very first time trying this scent, and I really do like it. It smells really good and fresh, and it really does a good job cleaning off surfaces and disinfecting.
I'll make it like every day is your birthday. I want to spend my life with you, and now it's time to celebrate, 'cause we're running out of time. So cover your eyes, 'cause I have a surprise for you. Baby, it's your birthday.
So I was originally gonna come in the kitchen and just tidy it up really quickly, but these cabinets were pretty dirty, so I decided to go ahead and wipe them down as well. You guys already know I cannot see something that needs to be done and not tackle it. I gotta get it done.
Baby, it's your birthday. Now you don't have to wait no more. So get ready, get ready, get ready. Just want you on myself all day. Let me show you what I got in store. So get ready, get ready, get ready. Baby, it's your birthday. Baby, it's your birthday, yeah.
Now it's time to give the table a quick wipe down. If you are not new to my channel, you already know how I feel about this orange glow cleaner, okay? The shine speaks for itself.
Giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time. No, no. There's no use playing hard to get. I figured you out, but you don't know it yet. So take off your mask. Yeah. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. All night. There's something that I need from you. Don't act like you don't have a clue. You don't have to wait for it tonight. You don't have to be so damn polite. No, you love the game, but I don't wanna play. I know there's time, but I don't wanna wait. Promise I won't bite. No, no. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. All night. There's something that
Alright, love, so this is the next day, and I have my two little helpers helping me tidy up all of their mess that they created in the living room today. So we're gonna get this all tidied up.
for it tonight. You don't have to be so damn polite. No, no. Imagine us there. Imagine us You don't have to wait for it tonight. Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way. Yeah. Oh, you caught me off guard.
Y'all, sometimes I question my sanity when I'm cleaning the living room in the middle of the day, because my kids, they run around like crazy, and as soon as I clean it up, 5 minutes later, it looks like I never touched it. But you know what? I like things a certain way. It pleases me for however long. I don't care if it's 2 minutes. Those are 2 minutes of satisfaction, okay, of my house being clean. So I just deal with it.
Won't do, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you. It's so hard to say all the things I won't do. I'm waiting to let you know how much I want you. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. All that time. Oh, you get what I'm trying to say, 'cause to you I'm an open book.
Now I'm just gonna switch around some laundry. I had washed some clothes earlier, so I'm gonna put those in the dryer, and then I'm gonna start a load of towels and move on.
Hey, baby, got that hungry look, but it's hard to say all the things I want to, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you. It's so hard to say all the things I want to. I'm waiting to let you know how much I want you. Yeah. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. Yeah.
And now I'm just using some Clorox wipes and a microfiber towel to get all of the lint off of the top of the jar. Since the lint filter is right on top, every time I change it, lint gets everywhere. So now I'm gonna clean that off.
When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. Yeah. When I think about you, when I think.
So my bedroom was not on the to-do list today, but my kids came through here and tore it up, honey. And I had folded some clothes earlier, so I decided to go ahead and get those put away, tidy up the bed, and clean my room, get it back together real quick so we can be done.
Just give it up. I'm not your girl, and I never will be. Don't call me up. Don't waste your time, 'cause I'll be your enemy. If you want love, look somewhere else. Here you'll find nothing. Just give it up. I'm not your girl, 'cause I only love me. Don't get me wrong. You and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself than rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong. I'm just riding alone. Just walk.
I'm just wiping down this bin that I keep my daughter's diapers in, and I'm also gonna refill her diapers because it was getting empty.
If you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright. If you want love, just give it up. You got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. This is my time. I'm feeling good, rule every party. See how I shine when I'm alone, nothing can stop me. You should go out, meet someone else, someone who gets you. Don't stick around, I'm pretty wild, I don't do monogamy. Don't get me wrong, you and I could have fun together when I.
So a random fact about me, I love reading books, you guys. I read so much. It is my favorite hobby. So if you are a reader like me, please share one of your favorite books so that I can check it out. I hope you guys have enjoyed all of this motivation today. Please do not forget to go check out Natasha's channel. It will be linked in my description box below. Show her lots of love and tell her I sent you. Until next time, make sure you leave me a big like, If you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you have not already. Make sure that notification bell is turned on and set all so you don't miss any of my uploads. Leave me a comment down below. You know I love talking to you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.